Actually, we don't get pay raises. We get cost of living adjustments that are provided to members of Congress every year under existing law. That cost of living adjustment is less than what the federal employees receive, and we have received those cost of living adjustments 10 times in the 18 years I've been in the House of Representatives. Now, that same cost of living adjustment and what we earn is what judges, all federal judges, are paid. So without a cost of living adjustment, you have to ask yourselves, who will be able to afford to go to Washington, have 2 residences, 2 cars, 2 wardrobes, 2 of everything, without any adjustments? Nobody. Well, you think that's the, I need you to think about this, because what we are going to have is wealthy people are going to be, millionaires will be the only people, that's my fear. Millionaires will be the only people that will run for the House, run for the Senate. They will not know the real needs of American people, and it will skew the decisions that are made in the Congress.